Hello, beauties. Do you ever wonder how some people stay full of energy, maintain glowing skin, and enjoy strong, healthy bodies no matter what stage of life they are in? It's not magic, it's not expensive treatments, and it's definitely not shortcuts. The secret lies in a simple but disciplined daily routine and a balanced diet that fuels both body and mind. Today on Beauty Unlocked, I'll be sharing a complete lifestyle routine that focuses on powerful natural foods, movement, and small daily habits that can keep you youthful, radiant, and strong. Stay with me till the end because you will discover tips that you can easily bring into your own routine starting today. Morning ritual. The day begins before the sun rises. The very first step is hydration, a glass of water to awaken digestion, cleanse the system, and kickstart energy. Next comes the most important practice movement. Instead of rushing into the day, dedicate time for walking, jogging, or stretching. Imagine 2 hours of walking, light jogging, or even yoga. It's not about intensity but consistency. This habit keeps your heart strong, your body flexible, and your mind refreshed. Starting your morning with movement is like pressing the reset button for your entire body. Powerful breakfast. Breakfast sets the tone for the entire day, and here it's designed to fuel the body with probiotics, proteins, and fresh vitamins. Fermented soybeans or natto. These are packed with probiotics that improve digestion, balance gut bacteria, and even help your skin glow from within. Yogurt with honey. Yogurt is full of calcium for strong bones and lactic acid that improves skin texture, while honey adds natural sweetness and antibacterial properties. A fresh salad, lettuce, tomatoes, and seasonal greens like broccoli provide antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins to detoxify and energize. Lean protein, such as ham or egg whites, provides energy and keeps you feeling full for longer. Pickled vegetables, fermented pickles add another source of good bacteria for gut health. This is not just food, it's a balance of flavors and nutrients designed to energize the body and make the skin glow. Midday light lunch. Instead of a heavy lunch that makes the body sluggish, the choice is kept light. One banana for potassium, which regulates blood pressure and strengthens muscles. A probiotic drink for gut health and digestion. This light lunch avoids overeating, prevents afternoon laziness, and keeps energy levels steady throughout the day. Wholesome dinner. Dinner is where the body is nourished deeply with proteins, vegetables, and probiotics. A typical plate includes fish or chicken, excellent sources of lean protein that maintain muscle strength and provide omega-3 for brain and heart health. Rice with salmon flakes adds flavor and healthy fats. Tofu, a plant-based protein loaded with calcium and iron for bones and energy. Spinach, rich in iron, vitamins, and antioxidants. Fermented foods like kimchi, miso soup, or natto. These keep the gut healthy, which directly impacts skin clarity, immunity, and digestion. Fresh salad without dressing keeps calories low and nutrition high. This dinner is hearty yet balanced. Every bite is chosen not just for taste but for long-term health benefits. Daily lifestyle habits. But here's the real secret. It's not just about food. Small habits throughout the day play an equally big role. Even while watching TV or sitting, the posture is always straight and the stomach is kept tucked in. Instead of sitting idly, light movements like walking on tiptoes or stretching are included even during rest. This keeps blood circulation active, strengthens the legs, and maintains overall muscle tone. These small habits may sound simple, but when done daily, they create a huge difference in energy and fitness. Key lessons you can apply. So, what can you take away from this routine? Start your day early with water and some kind of movement. Add fermented foods like yogurt, pickles, kimchi, or miso soup for glowing skin and better digestion. Make lunch light so you avoid that afternoon crash. Keep dinner wholesome with proteins, greens, and balanced carbs. Stay active throughout the day, even in small ways. These are simple practices, but the results are extraordinary. Closing with, and there you have it, a timeless lifestyle that keeps you glowing, strong, and full of life. Now, I'd love to know, which of these habits are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, share it with someone who would love these tips, and subscribe to Beauty Unlocked for more secrets to health, beauty, and wellness. We'll also be making these recipes and more in upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Stay consistent, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next one.